What's up, everybody? Quick video on the KLX300S 2021. I put on some oversized foot pegs, as you can see here. They are IMS Super Stock. And I'll show you the original one here for reference. There's the original peg. Kind of see what you're getting here for width. They're actually probably a good half of inch wider. I'm gonna say a 1/4 inch longer. The one thing I will tell you, when I put these on, they go right on, they fit right up. I mean, you got a cotter pin, you pull the cotter pin out with a pair of pliers, push your pin out, the spring will remain in there. Just slide your new peg on, put your large pin down through, and then put your cotter pin back in. But now I will tell you, as you look at these from the back, when I installed these, they tilted downward and forward a little bit. So what I had to do is, well, you could do a couple things. I have a welder, which you could weld, put a bead of weld on here. You need about 1/8 of an inch or a little bit less, maybe 3/32, something like that. What I did, I had a piece of chain, I had a chain here. This is only about a little over a 1/16 of an inch. It's actually a link off of a chain that I had laying here, if you can see that. And I cleaned everything up real good and just put some glue, some E6000 on it, stuck it on there and pushed it down. It's not going to stay on forever, but it works, and it actually got the pegs nice and level. And not what happened when you would ride, you could feel your feet leaning out and off of the bike. So I did that. Now they're nice and level, and possibly even leaning in a little bit. So just keep that in mind if you get these. You may be able to, it might not bother you that they lean out and you can ride it, and it's no big deal. The IMS part number is right there. It's 273113. If you get on their website, you can pull it up. These were from Amazon. These were $71.95. On Rocky Mountain ATVMC, I think they're $89.99. So I got them from Amazon. If you have any questions or comments, put them down below. Like and subscribe. Get on your KLX and get outside.